Morning, everyone. Today I'm making breakfast with leftovers I had from last night, the sausage and potato thing. So what we're going to do is I've got a skillet out. I'm going to turn it on to medium high, and this is our leftovers from last night. I'll just pop this in the skillet. Alright, and it's going to take a couple minutes for it to warm up. So in the meantime, let's tell you what we're going to do. You can use eggs, regular eggs. You can use egg beaters, which I'm going to use in this dish. A little barbecue and little cheese. I've gotten out another pan, our egg pan. And I'm just going to add a little butter. I'm going to let our butter melt down for a minute. I'm going to stir up our leftovers from last night. Okay, we have our leftovers heating up. And we have our butter melting. To this recipe, we're going to use 4 eggs, or equivalent to 4 egg beaters. And we're just going to scramble this up. And our eggs are actually sticking to the pan. Okay, our eggs are mostly done. So what we're going to do, turn off the heat, and we're going to transfer them over into the other frying pan. Alright, to the recipe we're going to add cheese, and I've got about a half a cup here worth of grated or shredded cheese. And the last ingredient we're going to add is our favorite barbecue sauce. Now you can use any type of barbecue sauce that you would like. I'm using cookies. And we're just going to mix this up a little bit. I know you're probably thinking to yourself, eggs and barbecue? This really is a delicious dish. Now I'm going to dish myself up some delicious breakfast and enjoy my morning. As you can see, we've added eggs, cheese, barbecue sauce. Now you can add mushrooms to this, you can add tomatoes to this, it's your preference. I've made it the simplest, easiest recipe for breakfast for us with leftovers. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye! Perfect.
Good?
Perfect.
Tastes good?
Yes.